Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. As always, my name is Santiago. I'm really glad that you're back here in the channel seeing another tutorial. We are still checking out a software called Synthesia. We have been making a couple of videos about this software previously on the channel. If you haven't checked them out, I really invite you to go to the channel, subscribe and check them out so you can get up to speed on how this software works and what it is. Synthesia basically is a software that creates videos, mostly videos that you use in a professional setting, such as training videos or internal communication videos. And you can do so in a bunch of different ways. I have showed you how to upload a PDF file and then get a video out of the PDF file. You can also upload a PowerPoint presentation. You can upload a bunch of different files. You can do it using a URL. Today, we're gonna be checking out more of the functionalities that you can get out of using avatars in Synthesia. You can specify the way that the avatar talks, so you can emphasize different parts of the speech and of the video, and you can micromanage the gestures of the avatar itself, so you can get the most out of the video and the most out of the software. I am using one of the paid plans. If you want to use one of the paid plans as well, there are some affiliate links on the description box down below for you guys to use. So I'm gonna make my face disappear so you can see my screen a bit better, and I'll see you guys in the end. So if we click right here on new video, we can choose from a bunch of different templates. Let's say that we want to create with this template that says dynamic. As always, you can just use the template and then you can write the script and you can create each scene individually, or you can create with the AI. That is what I'm going to do right now. I'm just going to click on this option right here. And as always, there are a bunch of different ways in which you can create the video with the AI. You can upload a file, a PowerPoint, a PDF, a Word, or a text file. You can use a URL such as a Wikipedia article. You can write a prompt for the software to create the script and the scenes, or you can input a script yourself. I'm gonna use the prompt so I can describe into detail how I want the avatar to express herself. So this would be the first example that we're going to be using. The prompt that I wrote says, a video for a company that makes light bulbs. I want the avatar to be excited in some of the scenes to emphasize information and to whisper in others to make witty remarks. And you can further specify these other parts of the video: the objective, the audience, the language, the speaker, and the tone. For the tone, I'm gonna pick friendly, and I'm gonna choose the objective is to convince buyers to buy more light bulbs. Then once everything's done, you can create the outline. The software is going to take a couple of seconds to create the outline with the AI. So the software creates 3 different chapters. The first one says illuminate your life with our light bulbs. If you click this drop down menu, this is a description of this chapter. The second one reads the science behind superior lighting, and the third one writes light up your future with us. You can edit these chapters any way you want. You can delete parts of the outline or leave it as it is, and you can add more chapters if you want to as well. Once everything's looking like you want it to be, you can click on this option that says create video, and then the software is gonna divide these chapters into scenes. So it's gonna take a couple of seconds to do that once again. So the software created in total 18 scenes with the outline that it created previously. This would be the script that would be included in each of the scenes. The first one doesn't have a script, it's just like the intro. And in each of the scenes, the avatar is speaking a part of the script. You can change the layout of any of the scenes if you wanted to. And you can go back to edit the outline with this option right here. In this part, you have 2 options. You can click on generate video and the final video will be generated, or you can go to the editor to further edit the script if you wanted to. Once in the editor, we have the 18 scenes that the AI created. At the bottom, we have the script right here. This is what the speaker, that in this case Ellie, is going to be saying. Ever wonder why some rooms just feel better than others? And if you click right here, you could change the speaker. You could add a new speaker. Like I showed you in previous videos, you can have multiple avatars in one scene. And the really cool part is that if you click on this part on the right, you can specify the feeling that Ellie is going to be talking with. Right now, it is concerned, but you could pick from assertive, excited, or neutral. And you can do that with a bunch of different speakers as well. I told the AI to create the video with some parts where Ellie is speaking a bit more excited than others. So let's check out in different scenes if that was applied. These three ones are with Ellie being concerned. But for example, if we go to scene 11, we can see that in this scene, Ellie is excited. It's not longer concerned. And you can micromanage each of the feelings in each of the scenes for you to have the most specific script that you want the software to create. As I showed you just some seconds ago, you can even change the speaker. For example, if you don't want this voice, the voice that Ellie has, that is this one.
Our light bulbs have transformed countless spaces, making them...
You could change, for example, to Sola.
Our light bulbs have transformed countless spaces.
Or to Ada.
Our light bulbs have transformed countless spaces, making them more...
To get specifically the feelings and the tone that you want each of the scenes to have. For consistency, I'm just gonna leave Ellie in all of the scenes. And you can even add animations if you click on this icon right here, and you can move the delay to be a couple of more seconds or to be faster. I'm just gonna leave it in 0 as of now, and you can add animations as well. For example, a blink, a shake, a pop. You can have the motion to be natural, fast, or slow. So if we click right here once again, inside of Ellie, that is our speaker, there are two animations, the blink animation and the instant animation. And we can add another one, for example, in scene 14. If we click on add animation once again, you can see what the animation would be regarding the scene. You can also add pauses between scenes if you want to further emphasize some information. If you click right here on add scene, you would add another scene with the template that we're using, or you could use another template and add further scripts as well. As always, you can also add music, you can add scene transitions, you can replace background media or any of the media that you want to include. And if you click right here on the top, there are a bunch of different media that you can pick from different libraries. And once everything's looking the way that you want it to, you can just click on generate. You can select if you want captions or not in the final video. I'm gonna click on add captions because I think it looks a bit better. And then you just need to wait for the software to create the final video. So now let's see what the software created in the final video.
Ever wondered why some rooms just feel better than others? It's not magic, it's lighting. Our light bulbs transform spaces, enhancing mood and productivity. Say goodbye to dim, uninspiring rooms and hello to vibrant, inviting spaces. Our light bulbs are engineered with cutting-edge technology, offering optimal brightness and energy savings. Imagine slashing your electricity bill while enjoying a longer bulb lifespan. It's not just a bulb, it's a revolution in lighting. Picture this, a once gloomy room, now a beacon of warmth and functionality. Our light bulbs have transformed countless spaces, making them more inviting and efficient. Experience the difference superior lighting can make in your home. Explore our diverse range of light bulbs to find your perfect match. Visit our website for exclusive deals and detailed product info. Together, let's illuminate your world. I'm Alex, and I hope you found this enlightening. See you online.
As you see, the software separated the video into 3 different chapters. In each chapter, there are some scenes, 6 scenes to be exact. In some scenes, Ellie, the speaker, is talking a bit more excited, and in other scenes, she's talking a bit more paused, as we specified on the video. It even added the blink animation in the 11th scene, and for it to be shown in different scenarios as well. And you can generate a link to share the video with anyone that you wanted to share it with. You can also download the video with the audio in an MP4 file. You can download only the audio, or you can download the captions as well if you want to use them in another video. That is pretty much how fast and easy you can create a video using avatars in Synthesia. Once again, as I showed you, emphasizing different emotions using the avatars is really easy. The software has a lot of different gestures and emotions baked into it. Using the AI is really easy and fast. As you see, we created a video in a couple of minutes. And once again, you can pick from a bunch of different avatars to get specifically the one that you want in your video. Once again, if you haven't checked out the previous videos in the channel, I really invite you to go and subscribe. I want to read all of your comments down below to see what you think of this software. As always, my name is Santiago. I'm really glad that you saw this video. I hope it was helpful. And without further ado, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.